What's up? What's up? What's up, my mind your money business folks? It's me yet again with another video. I think my camera's crooked. Oh well, I'll be okay. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. So today it says the S&P 500 Nasdaq jump in volatile session ahead of Trump's tariff reveal. Man, I forgot to buy some stocks today. I forgot. Either way, let's get into the news of what's happening today in the market. It says U.S. stocks closed mixed on Tuesday as investors cautiously counted down to President Trump's highly anticipated Liberation Day rollout of sweeping new reciprocal tariffs. The S&P 500 rose about 0.4%, extending the gains the benchmark index secured on Monday, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell just below the flat line and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite rebounded to close up around 0.9%. I would take that Nasdaq. And S&P 500, I would take that as well. So markets are still in the dark as to what Trump will announce when he unveils his plans for a like-for-like tariffs on Wednesday afternoon. The president's multiple U-turns in tariffs hints have kept investors turning in circles, with stocks jumping or sinking, mostly sinking, as prospects for more limited duties ebbed and rose. The big question is whether the U.S. will impose a blanket reciprocal tariff on all trading partners or will tailor the rate levied to specific countries. That's interesting. So what is pretty certain is the effective U.S. tariff rate is likely to reach its highest level since at least the 1940s, analysts say, putting pressure on a U.S. economy already grappling with slowing growth and stubborn inflation. Yeah, that is true. That is very true. So it says, on the economic front, job openings hovered near a 4-year low in February as the labor market showed continued signs of slow cooling. The data comes as investors closely watch for any signs that economic growth may be slowing further. Meanwhile, separate data out Tuesday showed activity in the manufacturing sector slipped into contraction last month, while costs continue to surge as suppliers weigh the impact of President Trump's tariffs. Yeah, I mean, the market's not looking that great. I mean, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq did okay. The Dow was down a little today. Yeah, there's a lot happening. There's a lot happening in the government. You know, like the government is trimming down anywhere from 5 to 10% of its employees. There was an article published around the 28th or 29th of last month where the Secretary of Defense wants an update by, I think, the 11th of April from all, departments within DOD on who and where they're planning to make these cuts. So there's a lot happening, and it's not good, but it is what it is. Again, that's why you, as an individual, I mean, if the government makes cuts, say I even lose my job, I have to find another one, right? And that's why I put a lot of faith in myself, and I'm trying to improve myself, because I can't put my faith in anything or anyone else in hopes that they will do the right things to secure my future and my well-being for my family, right? So I have to do what I have to do now. Only think about now. I'm not thinking about what happened in the past. Well, I can think about it, but I won't dwell on it. And I definitely can't think about what's going to happen in the future because I'm not in the future. But what I can do is plan for the future by investing, budgeting, getting out of debt, creating an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of my expenses or more. So in case a job is lost, even for you guys, if you lose your job, you have that cushion there that can hold you and maintain your lifestyle and your lives for you and your family until you secure another position or another job, right? So that's why you need to get out of debt, get out of that personal loan debt, car loan debt, student loan debt, and then attack your mortgage, right? Get out of debt so you can control your money. So when things like this happen, you'll be okay, right? So let's go over some stocks because this video won't be too long today. My S&P 500 ETF SPLG gained 39 cents today. I'll take that. Closing out at $65.76. Tesla closed at, excuse me. Tesla closed gaining $9.30 today. Ooh, excuse me. This water is making me burp. Hold on, this can't be true. Let me refresh. But the article did say NASDAQ took a jump because I remember when I looked at Palantir, NVIDIA. Okay, no, there are changes. Okay. My S&P 500 ETF SPLG actually closed at 23 cents higher today, closing at $65.99. I knew something wasn't right. Okay. Oh, Tesla closed at $268.46, gaining $9.30 today. Palantir, okay, closed at. Is this true? Because I could have. I'm only guessing. I'm not believing this because just 2 hours ago, FTEC was down, Broadcom was down, NVIDIA was down. But, okay, I guess they rebounded right before the market closed. So either way, Palantir closed at 28 cents higher, rounding out at $84.68 today. My information technology ETF, FTEC, gained $1.34 today, closing out at $162.61. Broadcom, my semiconductor ETF, not ETF, but stock, single stock, gained $1.09 today, closing out at $168.52. NVIDIA gained $1.77 after being down. All those stocks were down, closing out at $110.15. Man, I could have bought them cheaper. See, that's why you buy stocks, because I forgot to buy stocks earlier. And I could have made some gains today because all of my stocks made gains. So I could have gained a little money. So either way, that's why you have to be in the market and not try to time the market. Just continue to dollar cost average into the market every month, however much you can, budget for it, and just do it. Don't sit on the sidelines. So yeah, so I'm going to end this video. Yeah, also take care of your health, people. There's a lot happening in the world. A lot of people transitioning out of here because, either way, health is wealth as well. So, disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I pretending to be one. So any and all information on my channel is for entertainment and informational purposes only. So please consult with a financial advisor before you invest any of your hard-earned money. All right, so guys, take care. Have a blessed day. Peace.